everybody, I'm gonna be doing the button thing. It's kind of like Would You Rather, but you choose different. I'm not good at reading. I'm not gonna push the button on this one. I don't think so. I. Oh my gosh, full blast. I'm not gonna push the button, but real quick. Pretty much what this game is it's like Would You Rather, but like would you push the button? Would you not push the button? And I'm not gonna push the button on this one. This is horrible. I'm not a big Pokemon fan, and so why would I even bother? So yeah, no. Come on. Yeah. Not too many people agreed. They they like. I guess they like the Pokemon theme song. Okay. Okay. I don't care. I don't need the point. I don't need the point. This is no. By the way, I'm celebrating today because today is Trump is in office. Yeah, Trump's in office today. $1 million or oh my gosh, what? Um, uh, here's the thing. I can probably just like work really hard. If I work really hard and hard work and dedication, I can get this, and I don't even have to get the disease. I mean that's logic right there if you think about it. So I'm gonna I'm gonna just push that button. Uh, Heck yeah, I'm pushing that button. Push it. All right, here we go. Yeah, like most people agree with me. Yeah, it's like 76. Oh wow, 76% of people did not push that button. I mean, it makes sense. I mean, just hard work and dedication, guys. Come on, don't be lazy. And if come on, why would you push the button? Why you're just gonna die? You're pretty much gonna die. So yeah. All right, moving on to the next subject. Uh, the person is the not exist, but the person you love most will exist. Oh come! I am not pushing this button. What's the point? What? Why get rid? I can just get rid of I can just ignore the person I don't like. There we go. I'll just ignore the person I don't like. Who cares? If I don't want to lose the person I really like. Why why would I do that? I'm not gonna push this button. I'm not pushing the button. Yep, most people agree with me. Most people agree that they do not want to lose their potential lover. Yes, I I wouldn't. Yeah, so we're just gonna move on. Next. I have no idea what this is. I don't know. I tax. It has the word. Oh, taxes. Ew. I'm just gonna This is taxes and stuff. I'm just gonna not. No. I'm just gonna end the video. Bye. Peace.